Hello everyone, my name is Prajakta Kamre. In this video, I am going to discuss about performance management system for subject competency based HRM as my presentation topic. So let's start the video. Then first we will see what is performance management. Performance management is the process of creating a work environment or setting in which people are enabled to perform to the best of their abilities. Performance management is a continuous process of identifying, measuring, and developing the performance of individual and teams and aligning the performance with the strategic goals of the organization. Performance management is an ongoing communication process undertaken in the partnership between an employee and his or her immediate supervisor that involves in establishing clear expectations and understanding about first one, the essential job functions the employees is expected to do, then how the employees just contribute to the goals of the organization, then what doing the work will mean in concrete terms. Then next is how employee and supervisor will work together to sustain, improve or build on existing employee. Then next is how performance might will be measured. Then last one is identifying barriers to performance and removing them. Then nature of performance management. It is concerned with output, outcomes, process, and input. It is concerned with planning, concerned with measurement and review, concerned with continuous development and improvement, concern for communication, concern for stakeholder, and ethical concerns. Then, what are the objectives of performance management? Promoting a two-way system of communication between the supervisors and the employees for providing a regular and transparent feedback for improving employee performance and continuous coaching. Identifying the barriers to effective performance and resolving those barriers through constant monitoring, coaching, and development interventions. Creating a basis for several administrative decisions, strategic planning, succession planning, promotions, and performance based payment. Then, importance of performance management. It improves employee performance. It develops people for promotional opportunities. Meet employee need for feedback. Ensure that employees are working toward organizational goal. Provide the data needed to make and defend important human resource decisions. It aligns individual objective to the organizational objective and ensure that individual uphold corporate core values. It is act as a lever for change. In this diagram, we can you can see the process of performance management. That is the setting performance standards, then communicating standards, then measuring the actual performance, then computing standards, then comparing standards, and then discussing result, and finally taking corrective action. So let's discuss one by one. First one is performance standard or establish performance standard. Performance standards serve as a benchmark against which performance is measured. Standards should relate to the desired result of each job. Then next is communication the standards. Performance appraisal involves at least two parties, the appraiser who does the appraisal and the appraisee who performance is being evaluated. The appraiser should prepare job description clearly, help appraisee set his goals and targets, analyze, analyze a result objectively, offer coaching and guidance to appraisee whenever required, and reward good result. The appraisee should be very clear about what he is doing and why. Then next is measure actual performance. Performance measures to be helpful must be easy to use, reliable, and must report on the critical behaviors that determine performance. Performance measures may be objective or subjective. Objective performance measures are indications of job performance that can be verified by others and are usually quantitative. Then next is compare actual performance with standards and discuss the appraisal. Actual performance may be better than expected and sometimes it may go off the track. Whatever be the consequences, there is a way to communicate and discuss the final outcome. Then last is taking corrective action. Corrective action is of a two type. One puts out the fires immediately and other strikes at the root of the problem permanently. Then conclusion of performance management system. Performance management is not only an evaluation process of person performance with reward or punishment as an outcome of it. Rather, its intent is to align and improve the performance of individual to meet the overall organizational goal. So this is all about performance management system. Thank you.